You know what? I want to start taking some partials. Right, yo boys, today is day 7 of me passing 100k funded challenge using the MambaFX breakout strategy. Now today's a little different. We took 3 trades, so expect to see 3 trades throughout this entire video. But also, based on the loss that I took, not yesterday but the day before the holiday, I wanted to speak about that a little bit and touch on how to deal with losses and mentality a little bit, and also a little bit about myself and how I want to present myself throughout this challenge and through this YouTube, because you and I have been backing this shit. We've been growing so quick and I appreciate every single one of you. But I'll say no more and let's get into the video.
Is he staring at me? Is he staring at me?
Come on, this is like a ritual I do every time after boxing. I come on, I piss over swans. Right, yo boys, you're excited. I'll come out here and speak to you about fucking kicking this fucking swan's head off. Come here, yo. Come here. Whoa. Hold on, let me just wait for these peasants to stop ruining my fucking audio.
Brandon, the kids.
Fuck the kids. They're gonna turn out to be useless pieces of shit anyway. Right, yo boys, I'm just in the majestic nature of wildlife out here just after boxing. And I thought, you know what, I'll record a little video for you, man, and I want to talk about. So today, this video will get posted tomorrow, but this is today where I've just lost $4,000 in a fucking single day of training when I should have only lost 1,000, right? I over-risked, over-leveraged, lost my discipline, didn't stick to my rules. And I want to speak about this because no one speaks about this shit enough. All you man are seeing is everyone winning in Lambo trucks, in penthouses, making fucking yearly salaries in 15 seconds, and I want to be a bit more real and show you how it really is. And I also want to be the person that documents the journey before I've made it, before I'm slapping big booty bitches in Miami, which I won't do anyway because I'm a man of God. If I lose, I fucking lose. I'll own it and I'll show you, man, that I fucking lost, right? If I blow this funded account and it takes me 1,000 days and then I blow it, I'll post that shit. So if you lost, analyze why you lost, really understood why and what you could have made better if there was a better case scenario. That's when you're going to start learning. So for example, I look at my trade today. You all saw it. By the time I posted this video tomorrow, about 1,000, 2,000 people would have seen it, right? What did I do wrong? I got emotionally attached to a trade that was losing. And because I thought it was going to come back down, I lost all discipline. I didn't hold to my stop loss, not even close. Usually I let it fluctuate around it, but this time not even close. To the point where I even doubled down. I had conviction that it was going to come down, and it just didn't. Now if it did, and I did win, I would have won big. But realistically, that's just gambling, right? Someone can teach you, someone can tell you. I can have my trainer come into the gym and tell me how to throw a punch, tell me how to defend, tell me how to do this shit. But until I get in that fucking ring and I'm doing that shit every single day, day in, day out, consistently, that's when I learn. Because the moment I let my guard down, boom, I get hit. Now I'm learning to bring it up. You can tell me how to kick a ball, but I only learn until I kick the ball. You can tell me how to punch, but I only learn how to punch until I throw a punch, right? And every time we take it out, we need to learn from our losses, not just lose and cry about it like a little bitch, like I've seen some of you doing in my Discord. Why are you crying? You lost. And fucking hundreds of you lost. Stop being a little bitch boy about it. If you're going to trade, we need to get the mentality right, including myself. Hopefully today, as in tomorrow, goes well. Do you shut the fuck up? Mark it opens in 30 seconds, come on.
Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. Don't get offended. So I'm the bow in a billy. Fucking your hoe in the skinny.
Market's just opened. Today looks like a state though. I don't even know what this is. I mean, where's the support? Where's the resistance? I have no clue. We're looking at NAS. Okay, if this breaks, we could take the trade there. If this breaks, we could also take the trade there. Let's see, 15. Yeah, it just looks a bit mad, to be honest with you. There's a bit of support. We break on this support here. We go for the sell. Come for the buy up here, we can take the buy. Looks a bit mad though, right? To be honest with you, on the funded, I don't even know if I want to take a trade at this point. This is just looking a bit mad, you know what I mean?
If I like it, I spend money on it.
I do think this is going to come down. I way prefer Sal's, to be honest with you, because this is just a bit mad, isn't it? Right, let's see what US30 is saying, because this isn't moving. US30 is doing a little thing. Right, whatever. We're in US30. Send it. I mean, there's still this support to go here. It could just bounce off. Realistically, it could just go boom, 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 bounce off, boom, and straight up. So yeah, a little bit early. I'm not gonna lie, but we have broken this trend line here. So we'll see what happens. Right, you're real quick, boys, as I'm watching this. As you can see, the trend line did break. Now the support level that was going through hadn't broken yet. Now looking back on this trade, I wish I hadn't taken it. Like, even if it was a winning trade, it was still a bad habit that was going to be formed. So this is why I'm pointing it out as I'm watching this, because realistically, this is just personally what I found. Taking trades off of a trend break, the percentage of a winning trade is so much lower than it breaking off a support or a resistance. I personally just use a trend line as like a confluence. So it's just another thing that's going to back my bias when taking a trade. So if this was going to be a sell and it broke the resistance, knowing that it also broke a trend line and then broke resistance, it's just another confluence, another thing telling me that, right, look, it's going to go down. Do you get what I'm saying? But I personally don't like to take the trend break. And I could have so easily avoided this trade if I'd have just waited like literally fucking 10 seconds more, unfortunately, but yeah. Oh, bro, wow. What is going on, man? Really? Oh no, look at the size of that wig. I'm gonna lose this trade, aren't I?
Niggas are changing their images. Niggas act hard, but they innocent.
I didn't know you noticed that.
Find me somewhere out in London, you know that's a hideaway. I need some head and some moral support from you right away.
Right, we've lost this trade, haven't we? Right, we've lost the trade. Oh, that's horrible. We get past this week, I'm in. We're in. Oh, that feels awful. We're in another trade. We're for a quick 1-1. That feels horrible though, man. Horrible, Phil. What even was that, bro? If we lose this, we fucking cooked this challenge. It's so annoying because if you look at the week before, I did this fucking funded challenge. Boom. It was phenomenal. Every day was a winning day. Basically 100% win rate. And then as soon as we jumped in here, it's just gone to shit, hasn't it? I've definitely lost a few trades that I shouldn't have lost. Definitely over-risked during this challenge. But like, what can I say? Come on, that's what we want. Just push, man. It's bouncing off resistance, but like, I fully said I preferred sales as well. We took the first initial sell. I'm telling you, watch, I said it earlier. It's going to come up, it's going to tap out, and it's just going to straight all the way down. Bruv, what these markets, man. Ah, fucking hell, man. So annoying. As I've just checked Vito's P&L, maybe should have known trade. Yeah. Also, Vito takes one trade, mainly one trade a day. This is another thing I'm looking into potentially doing. It's going for shorts. I'm telling you, this shit's coming down. It has to come down. We're way too bullish. We're just way too bullish. There's no way that this doesn't come down. Find me somewhere out in London, you know that's the hideaway. I need some hate and some moral support from you right away. Go bounce off here. It's way too bullish. Super tight. Come on. That's it. We want it to break below that. That's it. Look, boys, it's too bullish. I'm telling you, this has to drop. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing. You know you want to drop. Right, you know what? I've just closed. And I'm leaving a runner now. I'm going to set a stop now to break even. but I've got a runner going. I have not yet used a runner on this channel since the first time, so I basically closed like 90% of the position just then. And so now I'm just leaving a little 10%, because if we break below here, this could jump even further. But if not, I have got my stops to break even. Now, Vitor Commercial, and I know some of you guys know this guy from my Discord. This kid's like 19 fucking, makes a gazillion dollars every fucking like 30 seconds every day, right? And what I noticed from his P&L is he trades literally just once a day. If he takes an L, he walks away, right? Very rarely, I mean, he does take double and re-entries, but not so often, right? Whereas if I compare it to my own, right, I take like way too many trades, to be honest with you. This is what I'm realizing. I mean, when I was having a good week, I was only taking 1, sometimes 2, max 3. But like, yeah, 2, like, it's unnecessary. You know what I mean? It's unnecessary. So Tuesday was a losing day, right? For everyone, Tuesday. I'm interested. So L, he just took the L and walks away. So I'm thinking of potentially just like taking one trade, being a lot more cautious about it. Like today was just like, I took a short on US30. I even said like it was a little early. I'm either too late or I'm too early. I need to find that sweet spot, right? But I think the strategy going forward is I want to be very, very, very more specific with the trade I'm going to take. Really be more cautious. And if it ends up being a winning trade, like good shit. But if it ends up being a losing trade, I'm going to walk away for that day. And I think that's going to be the new way I'm going to run for next week. Because I mean, this challenge so far, I've not really done the best. Yesterday, not yesterday, but the day before that, I just fucked the whole thing, didn't I, really? Like I did. I just messed up big time. And stupidly, you know, my own actions take full accountability for it. But yeah, I think I need to switch up. I definitely need to switch up. Because looking at my Google Sheet, by the way, this Google Sheet is in my description of every video. If you guys want to check it, you can see how many like trades I've taken and everything. The YouTube link to every video, this and that. Even my notes. But like, if I look at this, right, this is when we were doing really well. The camera comes on, losing day Tuesday last week, yeah, that's fine. Shouldn't have lost, should have won way more. Won. Yesterday, Wednesday, again, could have been a winning day if I'm honest with you, rather than losing $4,000 in one trade. Like, what was I thinking? And even another thing, like even literally what I've just done today. If anybody has anything to mention about partials and taking partials, it's something that I've not really been big on or done before. But like I do have a lot of interest in it, because I remember one week when I was in Mamba in the currency cave in Mamba's live trading, he brought in Luca No Limit. Now if you guys don't know who that is, this guy, if any of you guys recognize this guy, Luca No Limit, he was actually really good. And if some of you guys were in Mamba's lives at this time, he was so good at explaining the trades and how he was taking them. And he was the first time I've seen someone take partials, because Mamba doesn't take partials from the trades I've been in anyway. He just exits at full amount, whereas he took partials. So if anyone has anything to mention on partials, I'd be really interested, because I think it's something that I could definitely look into as well. Every single day I'm taking these trades. And this is even like something I thought about since starting YouTube. I've never analysed my trades so much, like ever. Like it's kind of mad, to be honest with you. Like I've never analysed them, and I feel like I'm learning so much more. Even though I've lost, but because I've lost, it's given me the opportunity to learn so much more. And because I have to watch every video and every trade back, like I'm literally feel like I'm gonna learn. I feel like I'm learning double, triple, quadruple the time. As well as I'm using ChatGPT to literally like track all my trades. Like I do this shit and I'm like, there's literally no way I can fail. Like there's literally no way I can fail. So when I see someone like Vito's P&L and he's making 6, 7, 8 grand a day, 10 grand a day, 24, 30 grand a day, I see this shit and I'm like, yo boys, that's literally what I'm gonna be doing. Like it's like I'm so confident with it. I'll be making, you know, 5, 10, 15 racks a day at some point. It's just patience and not quitting. And if there's one thing I don't do, I just will not quit. I'm too stubborn. It's just way too stubborn. So yeah, exactly. This is going to be part of the journey. And if you're watching now, boys, we're near 1,000 subscribers at this point. So if you man are watching at this point, like, you man are the fucking real OGs. Like, literally, you are literally seeing everything before it takes off. It's kind of mad, to be fair, because it is going to happen. It is so going to happen. It's not even funny. And I think that's going to be really fucking cool, to be honest with you. So I hope next week, get the discipline down, sort out this challenge, and hopefully we can go back into the green, because this week was going well. We got back into the green with just these 2 days. And then it's this one day. It just takes them one time to drop your guard and mess up and just fuck everything over. As well, boys, yo, for them man that don't know, because some of you, I know a few of you got it, but I do make music and I do produce. So if any of you want to go listen to my music, it's just literally Brandon on Spotify. So you can check that as well. I'll when we get a little bit further into with our relationship, I'll showcase a little bit more. But for now, I'll stick with the trading. Fuck it, I'll call it there for you. I actually wanted to get out here, but because I'm editing at the exact same time, I missed that shit.